The former chief of the UN Commission of Inquiry on North Korean Human Rights, Michael Kirby, says that the North Korean regime should be brought to the International Criminal Court for crimes against humanity. His remarks came during a face-to-face meeting with North Korean officials at the United Nations. Our Ji Myung-gil has more.
Intense back and forth at the United Nations, Michael Kirby, the chief of the UN Commission in charge of investigating human rights abuses in North Korea, made his case for referring the regime to the International Criminal Court for crimes against humanity. North Korean officials asked him directly what evidence there was that the regime was violating human rights.
That the Commission of Inquiry found crimes against humanity have been committed in North Korea based on the politics set at the highest level of a state. So my question is that, what policy exactly do you mean? And which crime are committed in my country against humanity?
Kirby responded, saying the North's vast network of prison camps were run by the state and that acts of torture, enslavement, and starvation were taking place with their knowledge.
In international law, if those who have the power to stop crimes against humanity hold back and do not exercise that power to stop crimes against humanity, they may themselves personally be responsible for crimes against humanity.
North Korean defectors who were held in prison camps also testified before the UN about their experiences.
They didn't give us food if we were not able to execute the required amount of labor. Many prisoners died of malnutrition.
In February, the UN Commission of Inquiry on North Korea, headed by Kirby, released a 372-page report on human rights abuses in the North. North Korea claims it is the product of political maneuvering from hostile forces, including the U.S., that are seeking to overthrow the regime. A vote for referring North Korean leader Kim Jong-un and the regime to The Hague is expected at the UN in late November. But the likelihood of it passing is in question, as Western diplomats expect China to use its veto power. Ji Myung-gil, Arirang News.